put it in there and dance? Fun. That is so
Show us how you dance, Caroline.
Kyle's telling you to dance? Yeah. Fun. Do you want to open your other one from your dad? We'll show them the picture.
Caroline, what is it? A Razor scooter? What do you think? You like it?
Caroline, no, you can't ride my scooter.
Now you have your own scooter.
She got her own scooter. Now she can't ride my own scooter now. Yay!
You want to open the box?
Right.
Open it up. We'll see what it looks like. Isn't it safe on it? Can I get you a little scissors?
I know.